Welcome back, my friends. Today we have the funnest craft using plastic cups, and we're going to use a red one from the Dollar Tree as well as a clear one, but use your imagination and use whatever you have. But I would suggest the clear one for sure. We're also going to use two types of white ribbon, a thicker one and a thinner one. But if you do not have white ribbon, you can also paint the stripes on with some white paint. We're going to use these little fairy lights that I do get on Amazon, and I do have them in my Amazon store if you want to check them out. I'm also going to use my scissors and my hot glue. I do recommend the hot glue because it dries stronger against the plastic. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we are going to use the thicker ribbon, and we are going to attach it towards the bottom of the red cup with a little bit of glue, leaving about an inch from the bottom. I'm doing one and my daughter is doing one, so we're going to create our own. And how fun are going to be. Oh my gosh, it's so easy. Wait until you see how easy this is. So we attached it with glue in the beginning and the end, and we're going to cut off the excess, just like that. Then we're going to take the thinner rope, and we're going to leave another inch on top of the thicker ribbon. And we're going to do the same thing, wrap it around, securing it with hot glue in the beginning, as well as in the end, and cutting off the excess. And again, if you're working with your little ones, just be patient. Help them with the hot glue, of course, to be safe. But this is what the cup should look like. Now we're going to take the clear one. We're just going to melt a hole right in the middle of one side, just like this, making it wide enough for the fairy lights to be able to fit in. Now, if you're going to be using maybe a full candle, like those little tea candles that are battery operated, you don't have to do the poking of the hole or melting it because it's not needed. But because we are using the fairy lights, we are now going to be threading the lights from the outside in and then placing all the fairy lights inside the cup, making sure that the battery pack remains on the outside of the cup, just like this. Now it's time to attach the cup to the top of the other cup, the red one. Now make sure that the battery pack aligns with where the ribbon started and ended. We're going to add hot glue to the top rim of the red cup and place the clear one right over it, just like that. Again, be very careful. It does get hot. My daughter's going to do the same thing on hers, very carefully. To be able to hide all the excess glue that you can see through the clear cup, we're going to add one more layer of the thicker ribbon right around that portion, again securing in the back with hot glue, at the end with a little dab of glue, and then cutting off the excess. This is just going to clean it up and just make it look nice and pretty. Now we're going to add the battery pack to the back. Just add a little dab of hot glue at one of the ribbon, place the battery pack until it hardens, and then it's a matter of just lighting it up. I gotta tell you, this is such a great craft for kids as well as grown-ups. This could be a little nightlight. Look how beautiful it looks. And I have another picture here to show you what it looks like in a dark room. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love the way this one turned out. Such an easy project. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments if you'd like to recreate this one. And I have another video here for you with tons more of Dollar Tree DIY crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.